The flip side of presenting an award is, of course, accepting an award. So you could potentially give a speech of acceptance. And these types of speeches are generally given by the recipient of a prize or honor. So you've just received an award, you're expected to give a speech. And you have a few different goals in this type of speech. First, you want to make sure that you give credit to those who helped you to achieve this prize or honor. Most people will thank their families for their support. A lot of people will thank God. Some people will thank their agents or their fans or their teachers. Basically, you just want to take this moment to recognize that you didn't get here by yourself, that there were a lot of people who helped you along the way that made you the person who could stand there and receive that award. In addition, you want to make sure that you are putting this award in perspective and letting the audience know why this award is so meaningful to you. So you want to let them know why it's so important and why it feels so special for you to have received that award, and basically just let them know what it means to you to have been bestowed with this honor of accepting this award.